Let's do a quick tutorial on the distributive property. You can see the title of my whiteboard. So a geometrical representation of the number 4 times 7 is, we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces, right? So this is 4 high, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces wide. Okay? So we have 6 wide on this dimension. And so what does that mean? Well, that means that this area of this particular box in here is 24, which is just simply 6 times 4. But isn't that the same thing if I have really just break this into two pieces and I have one that's 2 by one that's 4, and we still have the length, or the height, I should say, is 4. So this is no different than, and I'll write this dimension over here as well. This is a grid that's 4 by 2, so that's 4 by 2, which is 8. And this one is 4 by 4, which is 16. And I should have written before that this is 6 by 4, which is 24. Well, isn't this over here the same thing as 4 times 2 plus 4 times 4? And don't they equal the same thing? So this equals 24. And this also equals 24, but we get there by getting it as 8 plus 16. Well, that's what the distributive property is. The distributive property says that I can take a 4 and multiply it, this dimension, and multiply it by the sum of these two dimensions. So I can say 4 times 2 plus 4. Well, we know that equals 24, but we also know that it equals 4 times 2 plus 4 times 4. So that's the distributive property.